The modern financial system is a highly calibrated machine. It is designed to keep the middle class trapped in a cycle of invisible extraction, ensuring elite-level wealth is built using the capital of those who can least afford to lose it. This creates a strange paradox in retail investing. We see millions of people aggressively buying stocks and crypto, yet recent data shows that 1 in 3 of those same investors lacks a basic emergency fund to cover a surprise expense. Investing capital without a foundational safety net is like trying to fill a bucket with a massive hole in the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, the underlying instability ensures you never make actual progress. Participating in the market under these conditions isn't building wealth. It is simply feeding a system engineered to extract your money the moment your personal circumstances become volatile. This extraction is powered by frictionless spending. Products like buy now, pay later services and credit cards with 22% interest are standard checkout conveniences, but they serve a specific purpose. These tools are psychologically mapped to remove the pain of a purchase. By bypassing your logic, they lead you directly into a cycle of compounding consumer debt that grows faster than almost any traditional investment. Ask yourself if you would ever willingly accept a guaranteed 22% loss on your money. If you carry high-interest debt while hoping for an 8% stock market return, that loss is exactly what you've accepted. This is why standard investing advice fails the middle class. It ignores the math of the debt trap. To determine where your next dollar should go, we use a framework called interest rate arbitrage. This is the strict comparative math between the cost of carrying your debt and the expected return on an investment. Historically, a diversified portfolio of stocks averages a return between 8 and 10% over long periods. On this scale, that represents your potential for growth. However, market returns are taxable and never guaranteed. Debt interest is a fixed, guaranteed expense. Because of that risk premium and the tax drag, many experts use the 6% rule. If your debt costs more than 6%, it outweighs the reliable value of investing, stalling your ability to compound wealth. Prioritizing the stock market before eliminating that 6% plus debt is a losing strategy. The equation dictates that your debt is growing faster than your wealth can keep up. The antidote to this equation is the financial order of operations. This is a step-by-step algorithm designed to exploit the math of arbitrage in your favor. There is one mathematical exception to paying off debt first: the employer 401k match. Because this is a guaranteed 100% return on your capital, it is the only investment that effectively beats high-interest debt. Immediately after capturing that match, you pivot. You freeze other investments to eliminate high-interest debt and build a 3 to 6 month emergency reserve, neutralizing the risk of the debt trap. Once the debt is cleared, you move into hyperaccumulation. Your capital is now routed into tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs and HSAs, where the arbitrage equation finally works for you rather than against you. Following this sequence reverses the arbitrage equation. It ensures the financial system pays you for your capital instead of charging you for your existence. Building wealth at this level does not require a high IQ or the stress of daily stock picking. By replacing emotional spending with a mathematically rigid system, you remove the mental fatigue of money management. You stop guessing and start executing. This process changes your income's behavior. You convert a standard paycheck into an automated army of dollar bills, working 24/7 to secure your future. Stop participating in the engineered debt trap. Commit to the first step of this sequence today and reclaim your financial autonomy.